Two faceless YouTube channels, same number of views, same watch time, same upload schedule. One earns $300 that month and the other earns $3,000. Nothing about their efforts was different. Only variable was the niche. In this video, I will be breaking down the highest paying faceless YouTube niches in 2026, actual CPM data behind each one, and a framework for choosing the right one, because this single decision will set the ceiling, everything you earn afterward. Welcome back to Getting Paid Community, where we gather all the info possible about YouTube content. If you're starting a faceless channel or you're already running one and wondering why the money isn't matching the effort, this is the video that will explain it. Let's get into the data. Before the ranking, let's clear up the two numbers everyone confuses about. CPM stands for cost per mila, what advertisers pay per 1,000 ad impression. RPM stands for revenue per mila, what actually lands in your account per 1,000 views. Your RPM is typically 45 to 55% of CPM because YouTube takes its share. So when someone says a niche has a $20 CPM, you're realistically earning $9 to $11 per 1,000 monetized views. That difference matters, and RPM is the number to pay attention to because it's the one that shows up in your bank account. Everything I'm about to give you is in RPM, real numbers, not headline numbers. Number 1, personal finance and investing, $12 to $30 RPM. This is consistently the highest earner for faceless channels, and the reason is straightforward. Financial advertisers have enormous budgets. Banks, brokerages, insurance companies, budgeting apps. They pay premium rates to reach people who are actively thinking about money because those viewers convert. Content that performs here. How to invest your first $500. Index funds explained simply. How to pay off debt faster. Pure information delivery, which is exactly what faceless format does well. Number 2, business and entrepreneurship, $8 to $18 RPM. B2B software company, productivity tools, project management platforms, some of the heaviest advertisers on the platform, side hustles, starting a business, business strategy, tool reviews. Worth noting, the YouTube monetization niche, the one this channel sits in, falls right here, which is part of why I chose it. Number 3, AI tools and technology, $5 to $12 RPM, growing fast. Lower RPM than the top two, but the demand to supply ratio is the best in this list right now. New tools launch weekly, and each launch is a fresh keyword nobody has claimed yet. Screen recording plus voiceover, no equipment, no face, no problem. The trade-off is that this niche moves fast. Content dates quickly. You're trading evergreen longevity for lower competition. Number 4, legal and insurance content, $10 to $20 RPM. Legal services and insurance carry some of the highest per-click advertising rates anywhere online. Content on basic legal rights, small business insurance, contract fundamentals earns extremely well. Important caveat, this niche demands careful fact-checking and clear disclaimers. You are not giving legal advice. You're explaining how things generally work and telling people when to consult a professional. Get that framing wrong, and you have a credibility problem at best. Number 5, self-improvement and productivity, $4 to $10 RPM, lower CPM, but enormous search volume and strong retention. Easier to sustain content production over the long term because the topic space is nearly infinite. Best used as a secondary niche alongside a higher CPM primary focus rather than as your main play. Here's how to actually choose, rather than just picking whichever number looked biggest. Factor 1, advertiser demand. Use the RPM data above as your benchmark. Finance and business will always out-earn lifestyle and entertainment per view. That's not a preference. It's just where ad budgets are. Factor 2, search volume. A high CPM niche with no search demand is a dead end. Before committing, use vidIQ or TubeBuddy to verify people are actively searching for these topics, not just that the topic sounds interesting to you. Factor 3, content sustainability. Can you produce 50 videos in this niche? A 100. Open a document right now and list 20 video ideas. If you struggle past 12, the niche is too narrow. This is the test most people skip and later regret. Factor 4, affiliate potential. This is the factor almost nobody weighs properly. The best niches have products to recommend. Finance has investment apps and budgeting tools. AI tools has every SaaS product in the industry. Why it matters. For high-intent audiences, affiliate income frequently exceeds AdSense revenue by a factor of 3 or more. A niche with strong affiliate options and a moderate CPM can easily out-earn a high CPM niche with nothing to recommend. Factor 5. Competition level. High CPM niches are high competition by definition. The solution isn't avoiding them, it's specificity. YouTube monetization for complete beginners competes far less aggressively than YouTube tips, while still capturing the same advertiser dollars. Narrow until it feels almost too specific. That's usually right. So how do you actually decide? Look for the intersection of three things: high advertiser demand, verified search volume, and your genuine ability to research the topic credibly week after week. Not the highest CPM you can find. The intersection. A channel in a $12 RPM niche that you can sustain for 2 years will massively outperform a channel in a $30 RPM niche you abandon after 11 videos. Consistency compounds. Burnout doesn't. Highest paying faceless niches in 2026: personal finance, business and entrepreneurship, AI tools, legal and insurance, and self-improvement. Pick the one where advertiser demand, search volume, and your own staying power overlap. Then commit long enough for it to actually work. Next in this series, how to write YouTube scripts with AI without your content sounding like AI. The craft skill that separates monetizable channels from the ones getting flagged. Like this, if the data help, subscribe, and I'll see you there.